Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to connect Brevo with Thrive Leads step by step. If you're new to Brevo, make sure to sign up for a free account first, and if you already have both Brevo and Thrive Leads set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account. This will act as the bridge between Brevo and Thrive Leads. Once you're logged in, go to your Zapier dashboard. Click on the Create button, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you get stuck at any point, don't worry. Zapier's Copilot feature can guide you through the process. Next, choose both Brevo and Thrive Leads from the list of available apps. You'll see some required fields appear on the right side of your screen. Make sure to fill in all the details carefully. If your Brevo account isn't already connected to Zapier, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. Zapier will now ask for your API key. To find it, go to your Brevo account, click on your profile name, then navigate to SMTP and API and select API keys. In the top right corner, click on Generate a new API key. You can name it anything you like, for example, Thrive Connection. Then click Generate and copy your API key. Now go back to Zapier, paste it into the box, and click Yes, Connect to Brevo. Your Brevo account is now successfully connected. Next, repeat the same process for Thrive Leads. Log in using your API key and your blog URL. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your automation settings. For example, when someone subscribes through Thrive Leads, they'll automatically be added to your Brevo contact list. When everything looks good, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. Thanks for watching.